WNBA star Brittney Griner pleaded guilty to a drugs charge in a Russian court on Thursday, but denied she had intentionally broken the law. Speaking quietly in English, which was then translated into Russian, Griner told the judge, quote, "I'd like to plead guilty, Your Honor, but there was no intent. I didn't want to break the law. I'd like to give my testimony later. I need time to prepare." Griner, who had been playing for a Russian basketball club during the offseason, was arrested at a Moscow airport in February when a search of her luggage allegedly revealed cannabis oil vape cartridges. On Thursday, Griner's lawyers spoke to reporters outside of the courts.
She admitted that it was hers, but she said that it was unintentionally brought to Russia because she was in a hurry as she was packing, and it was just by accident it ended up in her luggage.
We are, of course, hoping for leniency from the court, taking into account the circumstances of the case, of who our defendant is. We think that pleading guilty should be taken into account.
Earlier this week, in a handwritten note, Griner appealed to U.S. President Joe Biden directly to step up U.S. efforts to bring her home.
She said that
Elizabeth Rood, an official from the U.S. Embassy in Moscow, said she delivered a letter to her from Biden before the hearing.
I was able to share with Ms. Griner a letter from President Biden, and Ms. Griner was able to read that letter. I would like again to emphasize the commitment of the United States government at the very highest levels to bring home safely Ms. Griner and all U.S. citizens wrongfully detained.
Back in the U.S., hundreds of fans on Wednesday rallied in support of Griner inside the arena where her Arizona basketball team, the Phoenix Mercury, plays. Many wore BG shirts and held signs, chanting, "Bring her home! Bring her home! Bring her home!" Russian authorities say there is no basis to consider Griner's detention illegal and that her case is not political, despite Moscow's fraught relations with the United States. Moscow's deputy foreign minister said on Thursday that it was difficult to exchange prisoners with the United States and suggested Washington stop talking about the fate of Griner. In Russia, a narcotics charge like Griner's carries a sentence of up to 10 years in prison.